This video shows you how to review your transactions that you have entered into Debonair. In one of our videos about Debonair, we showed you how to create reports of the transactions that you have added to Debonair. These should be used to review your transactions. It's highly likely that some mistakes have been made as you have been entering your transactions. It's far easier to notice such errors if you review your reports and transactions at your month end. Debonair is specially designed to ensure that your entries are mathematically correct. This therefore eliminates probably the most likely source of errors that are usually found in most bookkeeping programs. Whilst you may have allocated a transaction to an incorrect account code, this is usually the type of error that we discover and correct for whilst we are preparing your accounts after the end of your accounting period. So this is of no major concern, although this will take on greater significance once Making Tax Digital compels you to do quarterly reports of both income and expenditure to HMRC. The most significant error that you can make is getting the VAT codes wrong. You don't want to be submitting a VAT return that is affected by such errors. It's mainly for this reason why you need to check your entries. In the reports of bank and cash receipts, you should look at each transaction and question why any transaction are not subjected to standard rate VAT. Bear in mind that any money that you have introduced into the business should be VAT coded as 9 outside the scope of VAT. When reviewing the payments reports, you should ask yourself, have you got a valid invoice to support any claim that you have made for input tax? Bear in mind that the following transactions are not zero rated, but should be coded as outside the scope of VAT. Private, non-business transactions, any payments relating to wages, any payments of taxes, even paying your VAT bill, payments of loans, transfers to other bank or cash accounts, and many payments to government bodies such as MOTs and other compliance licenses. If in doubt, enter into Google what is the VAT status of payments to whatever the payment was for. If you find that any appear to be wrong, you can amend them directly from the report screens by clicking on the Edit button at the side of each transaction. Please also see our video relating to checking VAT variances as an additional means of ensuring that the amounts that you have entered as VAT on a transaction is correct. When we meet to discuss your accounts with you, we will highlight and mention any issues that we find with your bookkeeping. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notifications when we upload other videos to help you. Bye for now.